Hello dear subscribers, today I've got 2000 Daihatsu Hijet dump truck, 4-wheel drive, high-low gear. It's got some air horn or something like that signal, special mirrors. Somebody put very nice mirrors, very solid, yeah. It's all shiny, all nice and shiny. So 4-wheel drive, PTO dump, works from transfer case, AC, 5-speed. It's got a lot. This is a nice truck, yeah. So got nice, very nice alloy wheels, some kind of alloy wheels, yeah, very nice. All these shiny trims everywhere, mirrors, new generation, new body, a little bigger inside, very solid, very nice. Antenna intact, windshield visors. Very nice truck. Oh, it's got some kind of like semi-truck mud flops like on the semi-truck. That's the first time I see it on the mini truck. Yeah, little hole for pipe. Yeah, he put some wood, Japanese guy put some wood everywhere. So I never had this model like that before, and also I never had that PTO. That thing operates this thing. It's all work good. All look nice and clean. I washed it. Yeah. Very nice truck. Especially inside. It's got Japanese inspection. Here's our phone. Actually, we have three locations. Crossville, Tennessee, and 2 locations in Washington. Seattle, Washington, and Sequim, Washington. They've got up there a lot of vehicles, if anybody interested. Okay, let's go inside. Some nice, whatever you call it. So it's some kind of special order probably, because it's a lot of stuff in this truck. A lot of stuff. Also it's got that fancy smancy PP signal, whatever. Here is a high-low gear. I'm gonna show you guys how to operate that PTO for dump. I didn't know that. It's a 5-speed manual. Got nice radio. I'm gonna turn it on in a second. Got that thing, very rare. I'm glad the new models having this for coffee, for pop or whatever. Very clean, very clean. So I changed oil everywhere. Rear axle, transmission and transfer case, they connected. So it's oil replaced there too. Here's the AC compressor, brand new belt. Air filter is brand new. Fuel filter I will replace. It's going to be new fuel filter. Fancy steering wheel. Fancy shifter. This guy in Japan, probably truck driver. He made it nice. Yeah. little spy bug. Okay. Here's the engine compartment. It's all good and clean. Glove box. That thingy. AC. Let's start it. Well, let's walk around first. Oh, humid today. Very humid. Nice truck. Let's turn AC really quick. I need AC here. Oh! Oy, oy. Let's turn it off for now. Let's start it. Oh, SSC card kudasai. It's talking to me. So 118,000 kilometers. So it's a 74,000 miles. Also, I'm gonna check the timing belt because it's a time for that. If they didn't replace it there, I'm gonna replace timing belt, water pump, and all the seals because it comes with the kit. Starts right up. Oh, it's talking when. No, it's not talking anymore. So here's AC. Boom. Oh yeah, nice. Here's the 4-wheel drive button. You push it and it's come right there. Or if you put it on low, then it will come automatically as a 4-wheel. Here, I put it on low. Signals, works, lights, high, low. Here's the hard to see. It's working. Everything's working. AC working. Got nice radio with a disc, whatever you call it. Hoppa! Yeah, radio works, and also that I love these things. It's so handy for pub, coffee, anything. I don't know what it is. Japanese dude put it there. We got a he put clock here too. Need to turn batteries probably operated or whatever. Very clean, super clean, very nice. He kept it in very good condition. 4-way works. AC looks good. Now to operate the dump, I kind of struggled first time. I didn't know how. You gotta put it so the gears in neutral first. You push the clutch, put it on neutral here between high and low. Then if you want to go down, you go forward, put it in the gear, and if you want to go up, push down a little, and then all the way here, and then it will go up. And back again, neutral, and now it's going down here. Now, advantage of the PTO, you can put it, so right now it's in the second gear, but let it go down all the way. So if you'll hold it, it will open the valve more and it will go down faster. If you release, I mean, it's probably the same, I don't know, it looks like the same for me. So again, it's kind of complicated. Put it in neutral. This is neutral. This is, it's gotta go push down to go back neutral. And then you put it in gear. You can put any gear. If you want to pull it fast, pull it up fast, you can put third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. But usually I do it in the second. And then you go all the way back. And if you'll give a gas, it will go faster, a lot faster. So the higher gear, the faster it will go. You put it on fifth gear, it will fly. Yeah. And then push it in neutral and then down. AC works good. So very nice truck. It's got power steering. Very nice truck. I don't know what it is. I need to translate that. Translate. Everything works. Lights works. Cigarette lighter. That's the talking thing. I don't know what she's saying. And she's saying something like probably get out from this mini truck you're rushing. That's probably what it's saying. Well, this is it. Very, very nice truck. Super clean. AC works perfect. And works nice, quiet. Yeah, that's some fancy, smancy truck. Unbelievable. I don't know what that means. EFI DLI 4-wheel drive. Yeah, that's the PTO. Hijet, Daihatsu. That's our company. Yeah. If anybody likes it, give me a call. Like I said, I'm gonna check the timing belt. I think more likely it needs to be replaced because I couldn't find any stickers. Usually they put stickers on the timing belt cover, but I didn't see any stickers. So I'll buy the kit. I'll replace the timing belt, water pump seals, oils, front, rear axles, everything been done. New oil filter, new air filter, the fuel filter I need to replace. I need to order. It's a little different on the newer model. And then the lights, I need to order this little, holy moly, no, I found it. Order that light for this thing. That's the only light doesn't work here, but it's aftermarket. He put it on. Other than that, all the lights works. I will order that little bulb for this one. Nice truck, beautiful, fancy smancy, fancy smancy. Yeah. And let's try the dump truck again. So one more time. I'm still learning too. So I did something wrong. Yeah, of course I did something wrong. That's downside for me. I really don't like PTO. I like the regular, because you gotta do a lot of stuff here before you do anything. So again, neutral, and then second gear, then push down and all the way back, and it's going up. right there. So if you don't push the gas, it goes slow. You give a gas, and it's going fast. And that's the thingy. Nice. I cleaned it today. Very nice truck. And here and forward. And then it's going down. That's it. So give me a call. 937-510-1263 or 937-510-8059. Oh, I see works good. Okay, back. Everything back. Neutral, neutral, and high. Okay. Okie dokie. Have a blessed day. Hopefully everybody had a good 4th of July. We blasted for several hours here for 4th of July. A lot of fireworks. Some people came from Texas, Kansas, local guys, neighbors. We had a blast. Unfortunately, that flood happened in Texas. We're praying for them. So I'll talk to you later.